I also experienced in my regression session with you that I could also not only access my life, but I could access my between life states where I was looking at a lifetime and reviewing that lifetime.
That always happens.
And how does that help people?
So you see, what happens is that we say that after we die, there is like 3 days, 4 days. जैसे होता है ना 72 hours. जैसे mostly in every religion you will find कि 72 hours के बाद कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं. So those 72 hours are for us to review our life.
Right.
Or basically to leave.
Right.
The body belongs to earth. We'll get a funeral, whatever, we are cremated, whatever. Those tattvas go back to the earth.
Correct.
Okay? The conscious mind will also finish.
Correct.
The intellect of this life. So the subconscious mind, the soul will go back to the main soul, what we call higher self, or you can say Paramatma. मैं आत्मा हूँ और वो मेरी परमात्मा है. And the soul will go, the mind goes into something we call Akashic records. You could say there's a big like a vault in the somewhere. I mean, it's an imaginary where each one of us has a locker.
Correct.
And the mind will go over there. Okay. As a soul, when I go up, I now examine whatever I have done. I mean, literally, I don't know whether how up it is or whatever. Maybe it's here only somewhere. So then we review the lives. So it is like up there, I only know love.
Right.
Only love exists in the metaphysical. And I don't have any other emotions. Why am I coming down here? It's like if you read chemistry. So you read all the things, then you go to the lab to test out.
Correct.
The same thing.
Correct.
So up there I have all the knowledge, but I don't have any experience.
Right.
So I come down on earth, I mean for us who are here on earth, to get experience, earthly experiences.
Right.
So when someone, people say that I want to be spiritual, you're already spiritual. You are not a human who's looking to be spiritual. You're a spiritual being who has come for human existence.
Right.
So we are already spiritual beings. So we have come here for experiences. Then once I die, I have made a story and come. Okay. Now once I die, I go back. It's like I did the experiment and my color, which had to change into pink, didn't change. In the test tube, I put something. It didn't change. So same way means it didn't happen according to the textbook.
Correct.
So the same way when I go back, I say this is the plan I made and this is how I should have played it out.
Right.
But no, my God, I did so many wrong things. So let me go back again and create the same story.
Right.
And now try and do it different. But 90% what will happen, I will do 10 more wrong things and go back.
Correct.
So where I was supposed to be having one life for a certain theme, I may have 100 lives on that theme.
Correct.
Trying every time to undo what I did in the past. But those stories are not known to me. Sometimes we don't plan. Sometimes we don't view. I mean, we also can be lazy, as souls. Why not? So when we have not done the view properly, that means I have not digested the story. The resentments are still there. That is what we make you do during the therapy. That now you are dead, you are the soul. Now tell me, what do you think about this life? If you remember, I made you do
Yes, we did that.
So that review is done in therapy time.
So that means that at those points, I skipped the review as a soul.
Yes.
I did, or maybe didn't do a full review
Yes.
as a soul. Okay.
That is why I'm carrying the resentments.
So this is very close to, there's this concept of the veil of forgetting, that when a soul reincarnates as a human in this on earth, let's just say, the minute you're coming into this life, there is something called the veil of forgetting, where you forget the goals that you have set, the plan that you have made, the soul contract that you've done, and anything about a previous lifetime. There are obviously, I'm guessing, some exceptions to it, because some people do remember.
Some people, especially children, remember.
Right.
I have my very good friend Rachna Jog. She's my partner also, and we work together. And she remembers a life where she said when she was small, she used to say, "मैं तो गांव में रहती थी, तो फिर मैं कहीं जा रही थी, एक ट्रक आया, मैं उसके नीचे आ गई और फिर मैं आपके पास आ, एंड दे डिडंट, यू नो, जब इतनी नॉलेज नहीं होती, वी से व्हाट क्रैप दिस चाइल्ड इज टॉकिंग, सो फाइनली our पेरेंट्स मेड her shut up.
My parents used to tell me till I was about 2.5 or 3. I used to tell them कि मैं साइकिल चला रहा था और मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ और मैं मर गया. And they would just laugh at me saying कि क्या स्टोरी, like जब लोग आते थे घर पे they used to be like ये सब बोल रहा है, but maybe it's possible that I was remembering a
Yeah, you
lifetime.
were remembering. So children do remember.
Okay. And till a point where their conscious mind starts becoming more
Yeah,
active.
maybe, and people keep saying, what are you saying, you know?
Yeah.
You forget about it now.